Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a sliding compound miter saw. Before starting any project, prioritize safety. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, including safety glasses and hearing protection. Make sure your workpiece is firmly secured with clamps to prevent any shifting during the cut. Remember to keep your hands a safe distance, at least 6 inches, from the spinning blade. Always unplug the saw when performing maintenance or changing blades. Now let's set up for a basic straight cut. Position your material firmly against the saw's fence to ensure accuracy. Before powering on, carefully align the blade with your marked cut line. Once aligned, allow the blade to reach its full rotational speed before slowly and steadily lowering it through the workpiece. This controlled motion helps achieve a clean, precise cut every time. A sliding compound miter saw excels at more complex cuts. You can adjust the miter angle for horizontal cuts, often up to 50 degrees left or right. For vertical cuts, set the bevel angle, which typically goes up to 45 degrees. Combining both these adjustments allows you to create intricate compound angles. Always perform a test cut on a scrap piece of wood to verify your settings before cutting your final material. The sliding feature is key for wider materials. Fully extend the saw head to accommodate boards up to 12 inches wide. Then, smoothly push the saw head back through the material to complete your cut. For longevity, regularly clean sawdust and debris from the saw's rails and moving parts. Also, frequently inspect your blade for sharpness. A dull blade can cause splintering and reduce accuracy, so replace it when needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.